Good morning to all. My name is Suraksha. I am from 3rd grade. Today our project is nesting habits of birds. Most birds build nests by collecting different materials around them using their beaks. Then the mother bird lays her eggs in the nest and keeps them warm until they hatch. Birds usually look after their babies until they fly on their own. Different birds make different kinds of nests. Let's discuss few of them. This is a weaver bird nest. It is shaped as a vase. It is woven together using dry grass. The bird enters into the nest through a tube-like opening at the bottom. This is a Tailor Bird nest. Tailor bird use their beaks like needles. They see the edges of leaves together to make a cup. Inside this cup they made of dried grass.
Many penguins live in cold places where there are not many twigs and branches. Some of these penguins make nests instead from pebbles and rocks. This is a penguin's nest.
This is a sparrow nest. Sparrow use mud to build their nest against cliffs or walls. This is woodpecker nest. Woodpecker use their sharp beaks to peck holes in the tree trunk. Inside the hole they make a nest from wood chips. This is crow nest. Most birds such as the crow build their nest using twigs. To make nest they use grass, moss, flower and paper. This is koel. Birds in the cuckoo family such as the koel are sneaky. Instead of building a nest, they lay eggs in the nest of a different bird. Today we learn nesting habits of birds. Thank you.